No, the whole recipe, the whole dish.
Grape leaves.
That's what you call it in your culture?
Yeah.
Grape leaves.
Grape leaves.
Grape leaves. So take the meat, mix with undone rice, undone rice, and then you fold it in the grape leaves and roll it in the grape leaves. And just like that, it's done. Wow. Just in case you were snoozing, I'm gonna do it again. Grab the meat from here. That's the meat and rice. Put it in the middle. Pinch it. Cover it in grape leaves. Like a burrito. Fold the sides in. And then just roll. And just like that, it's done. Now, it only takes a few seconds. That's what's amazing about this whole thing. But I haven't eaten those before, have I? I have?
You did.
Okay.
I don't remember.
I don't know. I don't know if it was this or something else.
Yeah, you did, but it doesn't have. It didn't have meat.
It didn't have meat? See, I didn't have these then. This is different. So I'm dying to try these. That's the last one, you guys. Oh, that's it. Now you're gonna watch me do it.